Buhler is a leading manufacturer of food and animal feed processing equipment. Our hammer mills, with a reputation for high quality and cutting-edge technology, have been the solution of choice for some of the world's most successful feed manufacturers. Buhler takes another step forward with our new multi-impact hammer mill technology, offering a new line of heavy-duty, high-capacity hammer mills that are more efficient than ever. Conventional hammer mills operate under the principle that the greater the hammer tip speed, the smaller the particle size. As particles enter the mill, after initial impact, they are projected outward toward the screen, where fine fragments can escape, leaving the remaining coarse pieces to travel around the outer edge of the mill at nearly the same velocity as the hammer mill rotor. This means the coarse particles must hit the hammers repeatedly until the particles are fine enough to turn 90 degrees and exit the screen. This leads to the generation of heat and wear of hammers, screens, and other parts due to excessive unnecessary friction. Buhler's multi-impact hammer mill technology operates under the principle that it's not only hammer tip speed, but also the differences in the velocity of the particles and the hammers that contribute to efficient grinding. While the lower part of the rotor enclosure utilizes conventional screens, the upper part utilizes cutting plates. This allows particles to be impacted repeatedly at greater velocity differences, thereby greatly increasing grinding efficiency. As particles enter the mill, the first impact cracks the particle, projecting it to a second impact against the cutting plate. This bounces the fragments back against the hammers, which project it again against the plate, then again the hammers, and finally the screen. It's these multiple impacts due to the changes in trajectory and velocity, and not higher hammer tip speed, that cause particles to be hit more often and with greater force, improving grinding efficiency even at the highest capacities. This design also minimizes heat generation and potential nutrient damage, while also reducing wear and tear of hammers, screens, and other parts. The result is smaller particle size and a tighter spectrum than conventional hammer mills, and reduced overall cost of ownership. Contact Buhler to learn how our multi-impact hammer mill technology can impact your grinding operation.